Hey guys, hope you're doing well. So as you can tell from the title and from my background, I am at university and I decided to become a student again. I am doing a 1-year master's course in clinical research at Tulane in New Orleans, and I guess this is just like an update video type of thing, because I was supposed to do my summer essentials collection, sorry that's my phone, video, and I had all the intentions of doing it, but as I started to pack and everything, I realized that that video would be better done when I'm here, because it will be truly the essentials and summer items that I brought with me versus like picking out things in my closet. So that video will come up. I'm just testing my computer camera because I didn't bring my actual camera and I wanted to see the lighting, and I'll try and make the background a little bit prettier, but it's a, you know, a graduate housing sort of situation here, so it's not that pretty. Yeah, that's it really. But yeah, it's just a short video to kind of come on here and say I'm still here to do videos as frequently as I can. It is very interesting and very exciting to be a student again. I haven't been one in a while, and I love education, so it's always been a passion of mine to teach and to like do stuff and to constantly learn. So that is what I'm doing for the year, and then I'm hoping to do more training in the future. So we'll see where it goes. A lot of things have changed, and you know, as you know, like from last year to now, it's just very different, and so I've had to adjust a lot of things, but it's all for the good. And yeah, I think that's all I've got to say. So I'll just go briefly into what I'm wearing. It kind of reminds me of when I was in med school in Florida. Remember when I used to do these like sort of videos like this? Gosh, so long ago. So my hair is just straightened. I've got a Tiffany's necklace on that I recently got. It's just like the Return to Tiffany's Heart with the blue enamel, and then I'm wearing my Jadior earrings, and then I've got my piercings that are, you know, it's nothing special, and then I've got my rings that I always wear, and I get so many questions on them. So this one is Anushka with sapphire, then I've got my David Yurban, my Tiffany olive branch, then my Cartier with a just a sterling silver lynx ring, because losing weight, this has also gone a little bit big for me, and they can't make it smaller, so I've just put this ring for now. I'm looking to get like a diamond band, maybe, not sure. Then I've just got my Rolex on, and then I've got this bridesmaid wish band on that is kind of tarnished into a rose gold heart, and then I'm just wearing this Tommy black t-shirt. It's a v-neck, and I've tucked it into my favorite jeans from Topshop now. These are the Awesome jeans. They're a high-waisted one, and they're black washed, and they've got like a sort of distressed hem. These are my beautiful slippers from Laura Ashley, but I am absolutely obsessed with these because they just give you that really cute look, and I love tucking everything into these jeans. They're just so nice like that. And then I'll probably wear my Chloe flats. They're just like Chloe, I think they're like called a pink ballet slipper, but they're quite nude. They remind me very much of my Fendi Peekaboo, but are a lot more like pinker based than that. And they're just very, very comfortable. I know a lot of people get them and they have raved about them. The one downside to these are that they're very slippery, and I've tried to scuff them and scratch them a lot, but I think I will need to buy something to kind of get grip. And also they're so thin that and I can already tell I will start scuffing the front quite quickly. So these are so good, but I wish they just had like more of a rubber or some sort of protectant over them. I know that you would probably go through these if you wear them on the daily or whatnot quite quickly. So what I've done is I've bought with me several flats so that I can alternate, so that I don't run into that too quickly. And then kind of just like back in the day as well, but a different pattern. I've got my Neverfull in the medium, and I've got it in monogram. Last time I went to med school, I had the Damier Eben, so that was quite funny. I really like back in the day. It's hilarious. But what's good about this one this time is it comes with this little pouch. And maybe I'll do a what's in my school bag type of video for you. I've still got to do my Dior one, which I brought with me, and my summer essentials, as I said. And then maybe because I know a lot of people when I was in med school wanted to know how I studied and things like that, and I didn't do one because there's just so many out there. Maybe I'll kind of do an organization video. Let me know what you think. Do you want me to go into that a little bit, or should I just carry on with what I'm doing? It's up to you. So yeah, I hope this was a little bright and cheerful video for you, and I'll see you very soon. Take care, guys. Bye.